got the Super AMOLED screen, the HD Super AMOLED screen, I should say. You got to differentiate because there's so many different kinds nowadays. You get about a full day worth of talk time and usage on this phone. I would compare it to, I would say it's better than the Galaxy S2, and I would say it's worse than the Samsung Infuse 4G. Basically, the big difference you're going to see here with this is the quality is absolutely incredible on this. I'm not going to say it's as good as the Galaxy S2, but it's right about there. Only competitor screen-wise you're going to be looking at is probably the new Galaxy Nexus, which is out in the UK and it's coming out here in the US, supposedly on Verizon and AT&T. So what we're getting here that we're not getting in any other Android phone is the ability to use the S Pen. There we go. S Memo Lite. Yeah, so it's not going to be the most legible, but in case you mess up and you want to get rid of anything, it's got a handy eraser, and you could switch the pen to all kinds of different colors. You could actually make it a paintbrush. We could use different colors, change the size. So moving the pen, you could see how it's got a gradient there at the beginning. It can actually sense how hard you're pushing down in the pen. It's got a pencil, and the cool thing with this is you could actually see, you can shade things in, and this actually does work kind of like a pencil. You can see how it's really light there, and it gets really dark here as you kind of shade something in, like you're shading in a box. So, and then it's got the highlighter, which is really cool. So I can highlight something that I just wrote, which is wild. So as you can see, you can still see what you wrote and then you highlighted it, and it's really cool. So then you could save it and send it to somebody if you wanted to. Really just a lot of different functions. So then we could do share. I'll show you right now. Okay, so all share, social hub, photo editor, messaging, Picasso, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, email, Gmail. So you got plenty of options. There's lots of different things you could do with this after you take a note. There's just endless possibilities. So that's the note side of the phone. Now if you want to get into the internet itself, we can go into Google. As you can see, this screen is gorgeous. It's just lovely. Now pinch to zoom and everything, you can see the quality. I mean, you can get an idea from this video. Yeah, I mean, it still looks absolutely incredible, even when you're zoomed all the way out. Plays flash, doesn't have a problem doing anything. And the cool thing is you could pinch to zoom. I guess that's a feature of 2.3. You can put a new window in, and it'll actually let you toggle through the windows that you have open. Okay, there we go. There's eBay. You can see that loaded up pretty quick. Again, this is on 3G, not Wi-Fi. Okay, mobile Samsung. Boom. Pretty quick. Quality and the graphics are just out of control.